Hi, my name's Kim MacKenzie. I'm the Women's Health Lead for Ultrasound, and I'm the Regional Sales Manager for the Midlands and East Anglia. My career has been in clinical health. I started off as an NHS nurse back in 1990, very quickly moved into midwifery, and then spent over 25 years specialising in high-risk pregnancy and ultrasound as well as fetal medicine. So I came to Fujifilm in September 21, and at that point I felt as though I had achieved everything that I could in the clinical arena, and it was time for a change. And that one of the main reasons I chose Fujifilm was an interview. I was interviewed by two fantastic women. So right now I'm covering East Anglia and the Midlands as sales manager, and as I said, also women's health lead. So the women's health piece is very exciting. It refers back to my history as a midwife and midwife sonographer, but also I've been able to develop the territory, build on education, and make it into one of the most successful territories in ultrasound in the UK this year. I think probably one of my biggest achievements clinically was writing my Masters, which looked at high-risk pregnancy in the low-risk population. This went on to lead to national studies of something called Doppler, which is a blood flow study from the mum back to the placenta, and it can predict whether or not the baby is going to be small or premature, and whether that pregnancy is going to be high risk. Since I wrote it back in 2007, this is now rolled out as a national programme, and we've seen vast improvements in perinatal morbidity and mortality. I think women definitely have a voice in healthcare. As well as having the same amount of business and clinical acumen as the men, I think that women do help bring that team together. Looking at the theme of inspire and inclusion, I think from the inspire point of view, it's really, really important to encourage young women, especially women from STEM graduates, to come into healthcare, to come into Fujifilm and see what we have to offer with career progression. Inclusion should be for everyone, so not just women. Women that maybe weren't born women, but that's the way that they are and feel today. Everyone's story is just as vital, and that is regardless of gender.